are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I'm super excited. I had a really good mail delivery just minutes ago. I was in the middle of filming and then I heard the mailman come by, went downstairs, there's like 5 boxes, including my Ipsy. So I didn't get my Ipsy Plus yet, but I did just get my regular Ipsy Glam bag, so that's still exciting. So if you do not know what Ipsy is, this is only $10 a month. It is a beauty subscription. You get like mostly sample size items, but you do often get full size items too. Honestly, this is the best, like most affordable beauty subscription. Like I love a lot of them, but this one for $10, totally worth it. So you get a cute bag every month and it's full of goodies. I feel like I may have glanced at what I'm getting on the app, but I don't remember. So maybe once I see it, it'll come back to me. So I will leave the link to Ipsy if you are interested down below, and I will also leave down below all of my giveaways going on. I currently have 3, so if you have not yet entered, definitely check that out. My Ipsy bag always comes open. I think it's the Florida heat. Maybe it kind of like separates the stickiness, but it's wide open. Everything seems fine inside, hopefully. Yep. So something was outside the box, but here is the bag this month. It's very like fall actually, but I do like the color. Like a pretty like olive green color. And it has like the studs kind of. Is that how you would describe it? So I think the bag is cute. So let's see if there's any piece of paper. Some months it comes with some information, others it doesn't. It's kind of hit or miss, I guess. And it does have information this month. So it says, August 2019, Bury Yourself. This month, use your 5 glam bag picks to celebrate and highlight all the things you love or are learning to love about you. So that's nice. And then on the inside, it talks about the items. So I don't always get this in my bag, so I'm surprised I haven't. It says, we think you're going to love your 5 glam bag picks. Don't forget to leave a review. We'll use that info to make your next bag even more personalized. I always review it. I really do think this is such a good personalized subscription. So I didn't mention this in the beginning. When you subscribe, you do fill out a beauty profile, and it's pretty detailed now. It's not just basic questions. They'll ask you like if you want to get something like rarely, sometimes, often, or like as often as possible. So you can let them know if you do not want a certain type of item. So that is super great. So I really do think this is personalized. So let's see how personalized this month is. The first thing that was outside the bag is 2 sheet masks, I believe. And I do love sheet masks, and I've told them that before. I prefer sheet masks over like regular masks, mostly because I'm lazy and it just seems cleaner and like easier. So these are by Comelico, if I'm saying that right. So let me get them out of the bag. And I would consider these to be full-size items. We get 2 masks, and usually these range for at least a few dollars each, sheet mask. So we have it in peach and blueberry. These are made with 100% natural cotton, it says on the back. So let's see what it says about these. The Comelico Blueberry and Peach Mask Set. This K-beauty brand is known for its organic, innovative skincare products. Made from 100% natural cotton, this set of blueberry and peach infused and scented masks moisturize, revitalize, and clarify your complexion while delivering healthy nutrients to your skin. Awesome. So and then it gives some tips. But the tip it gives is like the directions. It says spread your sheet mask over your clean skin, let it sit 15 to 20 minutes, and gently peel it off and pat any extra essence onto your skin until it absorbs. So I'm definitely happy to get this, and I consider these full-size items, so that is an extra bonus. And the rest of the items are inside of the bag, and I see a brush. And it's a Luxie brush. I love Luxie brushes. We often get them in our BoxyCharm, it seems. So let's see, this looks like it's a mini blending brush or something. It's a Luxie 237 blending, and it's got a purple handle. I don't have any of this like collection, the purple handle, but I probably do have like a 237, maybe not. This looks like a nice blending brush. You seriously cannot go wrong with Luxie brushes. So again, I consider a brush to be a full-size product. So the Luxie Beauty Periwinkle Blending Brush 237. This brand's known for creating high-quality brushes that are always vegan and cruelty-free. This handcrafted, fluffy eyeshadow brush is just the right size and shape to seamlessly and precisely blend any eyeshadow formula, from cream to powder, into your crease. And then it gives you a tip for subtle, smoky look. Apply the neutral eyeshadow all over your lid, then use your brush to blend a darker shade onto the outer corners of your lids and slightly pat them. I'm so excited to use this. So yeah. So happy with my box, and definitely is personalized so far. Oh my god, is this another full-size product? This is the Estero New York All Day Lip Cream, and just judging by the box size, this might be full size. And this is in the shade, I don't know. Let's open it up and see. Oh my god, I think this really is another full size. This is in Thames Street. So here's the outer packaging. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And yes, this is like a full-size lipstick, you guys. This is crazy. This box itself is $10. So let's swatch this. I have a swatch from another box on my hand, so just ignore that. This is very creamy and nude, but that's like a pretty everyday color. It looks a little patchy on my hand right now, but I don't know. Maybe it's because like my knuckles are close by. But I'm definitely excited to try this on my lips. So this is the Estero All Day Lip Cream in Thames Street. This creamy moisturizing lippy glides on to coat your lips in full coverage, high impact color that lasts all day long. The pinky nude hue works in all skin tones and it looks fab at work, on the town, or wherever your day may take you. It says tip, swipe onto your lips straight from the bullet, blot, then repeat for more dramatic color. Awesome, this is so cool to get all these full-size items. Oh my gosh. Next up, something by Suva Beauty. This is an eyeshadow in Coriander. Here is the packaging. Would you consider an eyeshadow single a full-size item? Maybe. Cool, the packaging of this matches the front. I always like that. So let's look at this. I don't know why I like had the instinct to sniff it, but I don't think eyeshadow ever smells like anything. No. Ooh, it feels nice and buttery. It's like it's a champagne color. Can definitely get some use out of this. Can you see it? It's over here. So, Suva Beauty eyeshadow in Coriander. Easy to apply, opaque, water resistant. Oh, nice. Honestly, what more could you want in an eyeshadow? This cream powder hybrid formula delivers all of that and then some. Plus, this golden pearl shade is so fun for all of your end of summer looks. Tip, dip your ring finger or a damp shadow brush into the shadow, then press eyeshadow onto your lid. Okay, yeah, I'll try it with a damp brush. That's a good idea. I'm excited to try this out. It's definitely a wearable color, one that I could definitely incorporate into a lot of looks I do, so that's great. And then the last item in here, so this is a sample size. This is by It Cosmetics. This is Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Oh, I've tried their Confidence in a Cream, but I've never tried this before. This is for all skin types, hydro plumping, skin transforming, weightless moisturizer. You get 72 hours of hydration. I guess if you don't wash your face for 3 days, I don't know why you wouldn't, but hey. So, It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion Moisturizer, made by plastic surgeons and derms. This brand's clinically tested products are highly effective and healthy for your skin. This oil-free lotion is made with ceramides and cactus flower extract to smooth skin, prime before makeup, and hydrate up to 72 hours. It says for the tip, again it's like directions, but AM or PM apply pea-sized drops of lotion to your forehead, cheeks, chin, neck, anywhere you need some hydration, then massage gently upward until it's absorbed. You guys, I think this was a really good box. So really like the only like small sample size is this little gel lotion, which I still think will last a decent amount of time, at least long enough to know if you want to purchase the full size or not. And It Cosmetics is pretty expensive, so nice. We got a Luxie brush. You know, I love brushes, and Luxie is one of my favorite brush brands. We have a full-size lipstick by Estero New York, an all-day lip cream, which is in a color that really will work for like every day, and I think that's awesome. Sometimes we get like really bold colors, like it's fun, but I don't get much use out of them, and I feel like I will get a lot of use out of this. We have the Suva Beauty eyeshadow in another like wearable color, so that's great. And 2 face masks. So I love sheet masks, definitely always happy to get these. So I think this was a really good month. You guys have to let me know, are we bag twins? I'd love to hear what you got, if you got anything different or if you got the same. Definitely leave your comments down below. I hope you are as happy with your bag as I am with mine. Definitely worth the $10 in my opinion. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unbagging my Ipsy for August with me. I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.